Today you find me on Hilder Street, which is located in the Leybourne Chase development in Westmoreland. In a minute I'm going to show you around a stunning 2-bedroom property behind me, but before we go inside, let's show you what the local area has to offer. For commuters, Westmoreland Station is close by with trains into London Victoria, London Charing Cross and out to Ashford International. For those needing road links, the M20 motorway network via Junction 4 is just a 5 minutes drive away. Westmoreland High Street is a charming and vibrant hub, offering a unique blend of old world charm and modern convenience. It features a diverse range of independent shops, restaurants and pubs, as well as historical landmarks and welcome community. Leybourne Chase has a perfect balance between countryside living and modern development, offering residents the best of both worlds. In addition to an on-site shop and bakery, the development features its own community facilities, including the children's play area, community centre, sports pavilion and a variety of walking and running routes, providing plenty of options for outside activities. Now let's head back to the property. Thank you for watching the property tour. If you or you know anyone that would be interested, please share the property with them and feel free to contact me on the details below.